Don't pay attention to what's going on behind me. Focus on the beauty that's in front of you. Let's go. What's good with it, folks? It's your boy Dookie back again with B.A.N.G. budgeted new gear reviews that we get the best bang for your tech dollars, man. It feels good to be back. You know what I'm saying? I'm in a new scenario, new setup. You know, if you've seen any of my videos, I'm probably sure the background looks new to you. We still working on that. It's gonna be a full change. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be more familiar. It's gonna be lights and all of that stuff. But I got something in here, man. I didn't want to hold y'all out. I got something in here I wanted to check out. Got these new headphones in from Tsumbay. I'm guessing the T is silent, so I'm gonna just say Tsumbay. These are the Tsumbay Sports TS-BH20s. Now, I know it may not look like it, you know what I'm saying, from this sexy, you know, physique that you see right here, but I actually do like spending time in the gym, especially lifting weights, and I need some new gym headphones. Now, I rock my big ones every now and then, man, when I just want that total isolation and I just don't want nobody bothering me, but sometimes it's a little bit easier to throw on some earbuds, pop them on your head, just rock out, man. Don't pay no attention to nobody while you're in there getting them gains. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my homie, Just Doing Life, Antoine. You know what I'm saying? We need to get together on that. These have a carrying case. They Bluetooth. They're supposed to be waterproof, which helps if you're a sweater. I'm a sweater. You know what I'm saying? So that'll help. Let's see what else they say. Supposedly you can control Siri with these. They have noise cancellation. I mean, what can Bluetooth headphones really say on the box? So let's pop these open. Set that right there. Pull these right. Oh, now that looks nice. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see. Can y'all see that? That is nice. I'm not mad at that at all. So let's pop this open. Let's get this little box. Oh, it's one little thing. So let's see right here. You have your standard micro USB cable. Have some different earbuds. I mean, you know what to expect from headphones, you know. Let's see. You also have a carrying case, and you got some stuff you'll never read. So, I gotta say, these look very good. I don't know how they sound just yet. These look very good. I got some H-Bud earphones that I did a review of right here. And these kind of take that, you know, style and take them to another level. You got this black and red right here. All on it, even on the cable, one side is black, the other side is red. You know, even on the earbuds, it has it's like a red silhouette with the black, you can see through it. So you got that whole overall aesthetic going for it. I'm not the biggest fan of the headphones with the over the ear, you know, piece right here for you to put it on your ear when you put them in. I'd rather just have the little hook that fits right into your ear. But, you know, sometimes when you're working out, man, and you're moving a lot, you're sweating, you're going from station to station at your gym, the hook right here can actually be beneficial. You got 3 buttons on here. You got a plus and a minus. That's your fast forward and volume, back and forth, all stuff like that. And you have this button right here. I'm guessing that is your power button. Let's just go ahead and power these on. Power's on. Now, I am a fan of this cable length. To me, this is the type of cable I like. It can just rest on the back of your neck. I know sometimes people like the ones with something there, like a little plastic piece or whatever. Sometimes that gets tangled up for me, but these, that's the right cable length. So let's put these on. Yeah, these feel good. Okay. I can definitely tell they're not going anywhere. You could just, you know, get this Bluetooth popping. Your headset is connected. Let's go. What do we want to listen to, man? Let's see. What have I been listening to? Let's take it back in the day, man. Been listening to I wanted to listen to some Goody Mob. You know, what you know about that Goody Mob, man? That was one of my favorite albums. Good Die Mostly Over. So we gonna see what happens with that. Let's pull up this Soul Food song called Thought Process. Second song on the album. Let's bump that and see what's good. Ooh. Okay. Got a little bit of bass out the bat. Ooh. That bass. So how you feeling? Frustrated, irritated. Sometimes I don't know myself. I be too numb to feel something sometimes. So I dig deep. Get in the Cherokee. Let my mind fly free into the wilderness. Woo! Okay. Okay. I definitely can say these are for bass. Like, they're tuned for that bass. I mean, I don't even think this song has a lot of bass, but it's really bumping. It's like, yo, boom, 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 boom. Let me try a song. I want to try a song. Let me see. There's a song by Little John called Knocking Heads Off featuring Styles P and Jadakiss. It's crazy. Like, it's like almost a perfect combination of like Little John's down south, you know, what was that? Crunk beats with some real lyrics on it. So let's see what's cracking. I want to hear what the bass on that sounds like. So let's try that. Yeah. I'm waiting for that bass to hit. It comes in on Jadakiss' verse. Yo, Kiss ain't blown. But I'm huge in the South. Okay. Let me chill out. I'm getting too hyped. Yo, these are official for the bass heads. You know, I can't say it's the best sound I've ever heard, but if you like that bass, you know, you just want to hear some thump in your head, these is nice. I'm not mad at these at all. They're not audiophile by any means necessary. They're not gonna rival, you know, really expensive headphones. But man, if you're looking for a nice budget pair of headphones, something that you can use up in the gym, maybe on your travels to work, maybe while you're at work, if you got one of those places you can listen to headphones, these definitely are worth checking out. Let's pull them up and see how much they cost. Oh wow. Yo, right now you can get these for $20. Yo, for $20, that's a steal. You need to buy 3 or 4 pair of these. Like I said, these are, you just keep one in your car, one in your book bag, one wherever you go. I mean, you can't get no better than this. You get 8-9 hours playback. They waterproof. For $20, you gotta get you like 2, 3, 4 pair of these. And make sure you use that link down in the description. I'm gonna get up out of here, but before I do, make sure you like, share, subscribe. It's your Kinfo Dookie. I'm out of here. Holla at your boy.